Alright guys, what's going on? I'm at the shop. Now, it's gonna be a little selection of videos. It's just a little bit different than normal. So I'm building a truck for Sema. So I'm gonna show you guys how to build a truck for fucking Sema, essentially. So let's check this bitch out. Alright, so with this huge F450 Platinum dually. This thing is huge, man. So this thing's getting a full kelderman lift and bags on top of that, kelderman front and rear, bumpers, Morimoto headlights, everything, you name it, it's getting it. So I'm gonna pretty much walk you through the process on how I do pretty much everything. First thing I need to do is pull this box off. So I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and I'm gonna start pulling this box off. All right, so once again, that entire time I thought my camera was on, but it wasn't. It's fucking ridiculous. It's time to get a new camera. Okay, so tailgate's off, which is easy. Probably one of the easiest things you can do. Just pop this, it slips off. And you put it on a 45-degree angle, set this lines up with the slot in the back of the truck, and it just pulls out. And then I pulled both taillights. They are an 8mm bolt. I'll show you here. So they're an 8mm and they're here and here. And then the tabs just pop out here and here. Now for the rear bumper, on the back side of this was on either side 2 21mm nuts. And you just have to disconnect these harnesses. So like that's the whole back. Now I'm working on getting the bed pulled out, and what you need is, or what I'm doing it with, is a 20mm 13 point or inverted Torx. Yeah, so because these are bed liner, what I'm actually having to do is take a flathead and just work with a hammer around here, like as you can see. Okay, you just pull it off like that. And so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So I'm gonna get all those out, and then the other thing you need to do is pull the fuel cell, or sorry, not the fuel cell, but the filler line and the the DEF filler line, and those are 8mm and 5.5s, and they're just screws and bolts. And then you can pop the filler necks down like that. Now they're not touching or anything. So yeah, set you guys up and I'll start banging this box. As you guys can see, that is all off. Those are the filler necks that I was talking about. Then these are all the wiring harnesses at the back. And that's it. Literally those bolts, and it comes right off. And as you saw, it's not that heavy. 3 guys, we pretty much lifted it off. So yeah, look at how clean this thing is. This thing is literally like brand new. Nice little 4-inch exhaust. No wideband action. Damn. So I just got word that I need to pull the rear axle, rear diff, all the brakes, front axle, front diff, and all the brakes. So I'm just gonna go ahead, start ripping out all this rear axle jazz.
What we do here is go back.
Alright guys, so off camera, I pulled the front axle. The only reason it's off camera is because my camera died and I had to just get her done. So front axle's out, front drop bars, everything. Everything's out of the rear. This all is getting sent to powder coating. This all is getting sent to powder coating. As you can see under here, bare, absolutely bare, nothing. So now I'm just waiting for the kelderman kit to show back up from powder coating, because that's already done. It just needs to come in now. And I'm also doing some air horns, like train horns, mounting those inside the frame rail here somewhere, and a full bag kit, everything. So yeah, pretty much just waiting for parts. So that's the first day. That's the teardown. Guys, got any questions? Let me know. That was not easy work, but it'll be worth it in the end. Take it easy, guys. Have a great day.